Welcome to the Inehub Live Trading Signals program. Let's see how it works. First, get the tutorials to get a good understanding, and then you can get a good understanding. We have created a video tutorial for your convenience. After that, you register on the website, for which you can easily register using Google, Facebook, or email password. I will register through Google because it is easy. Next, you need to create a pocket option account through our link. Use this button for that. Registration through that link is mandatory to get all the signals. If you do not register through our link, you will not be able to get free signals. When registering here, register through email password or Google. Now you need to enter the user ID of that registered pocket option account. By entering it, we can know whether you registered through our link. You can find your user ID in the pocket option profile. If you have entered an incorrect pocket option user ID, your status will appear as registration rejected. If so, please recheck your user ID or create a new pocket option account through our link and re-enter the user ID in that account. If your registration is correct, it will appear as registration verified. Next, log into your pocket option account and make your first deposit. For this, you have a wide range of deposit methods, so you can easily deposit and withdraw money. The minimum deposit is $5 US. For first deposits of more than $50 US, you will get VIP signals and special features, as well as free signals for lifetime. Also, for deposits of more than $50 US, you will get up to 100% deposit bonuses. Now enter how much money you have deposited. We will check it and give you signals. If you have not deposited correctly, you will see a deposit not verified as shown here. If you make the deposit correctly, you will see signals like this. Forget to invite your friends for this. These signals are provided for free for you. So help us as we help you. If you have any other problem, contact us now. This is how much it costs if you buy the signals. If you like it, you can buy it. To do so, visit our main website, inehub.com. We recommend you the free signal method.